Okay, we're on lesson 19 homework from module 4, and we're converting, expressing our answers as a mixed number if possible. So A is done for us, B is halfway done, but we're going to take a look at it. We have 6 feet, and we're converting it to yards. So 6 feet equals 6 times 1 foot. That's 6 feet. We're going to make the conversion from feet to yards. So I need to know what 1 foot is equal to in yards. If I'm not sure, I can create a tape diagram. Here's a foot, and a foot, and I know from past experience that that equals 1 yard. So 1 foot is equal to 1/3 of a yard. Six times 1/3 is 6/3, which equals 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2 yards. C, 5 inches equals how many feet? Well, I'm going to take those 5 inches, 5 times 1 inch. My next line, I'm going to convert from inches to feet. 5 times, okay, I need to think of what 1 inch is. 1 inch is 1/12 of a foot. These two values have to be equal. 1/12 of a foot is equal to 1 inch. 5 times 1 divided by 12 is 5/12. 5/12 of a foot. E, 14 inches equals how many feet? So I'm going to take 14 times 1 inch. That's my 14 inches. My next line, I'm going to convert from inches to feet. Same as letter C. There are 12 inches in a foot. So 1 inch is equal to 1/12 of a foot. These values have to be equal. 1 inch, 1/12 of a foot. I multiply my 14 times my numerator 1 divided by 12 is 14/12. 14/12 is equal to 1 2/12, which when simplified is 1 1/6 of a foot. 1 1/6. Down to E. We have 7 ounces and we're converting to pounds. So I have 7 times 1 ounce. That gives me my 7 ounces. I then take 7 times and I convert my 1 ounce to pounds. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So 1 ounce is going to be 1/16 of that pound. These values have to be the same. I take my 7 times 1 divided by 16, 7/16. 7/16 of a pound. F is very similar. I'm going to take 20 times 1 ounce. Then I'm going to convert from my 1 ounce. 1 ounce is 1/16 of a pound. These values have to be equal. Be consistent. 20 times 1 over my denominator of 16 is 20/16, which is equal to 16/16, 1 whole, and 4/16 left over, which simplifies to 1 1/4 pounds. G. 1 pint equals how many quarts? I forgot, so I had to go to my conversion chart. Don't forget to go to your conversion chart if you need to. And I'm just going to draw a tape diagram. I don't have to, but it does help to think about it. in 1 pint is equal to a half of a quart. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take 1 times 1 pint. I'm going to convert from the pints to quarts. And I'm looking here, and this really helped me. A pint is equal to a half a quart. A half times 1 is 1/2 quart. 1 pint is equal to 1/2 of a quart. Okay, letter H. 4 pints is 4 times 1 pint, which is equal to 4 times, and let me go back to my tape diagram in G, and I see that 2 pints is equal to a quart, so 1 pint is equal to a half a quart. So I have 4 times my numerator 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 over 2, which is equal to 2 quarts. Final answer. 4 pints is equal to 2 quarts.